here at the Old Town Hostel Otter in Zurich, Switzerland. The facilities are pretty cool here. Show you real quick, we're checking out here. Facilities are pretty cool, but the staff kind of sucks, and they basically, there's never anybody here and it's hard to get anything done. They're just kind of rude. But it's so expensive here. This is like $150 a night for a hostel, so pretty crazy. Go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the street and everything and the view outside. Pretty cool little pretty cool little downtown area. River in Switzerland where we're at has some of the cleanest swimming water in the world, coming straight out of the Alps. And there's these bodies, they call them, that are like little swimming pools all in the central area of the city here in Zurich. And obviously people steal bicycles right here and toss what's left of them over the edge. Wow. But even the nightlife is great. They come down here and party at these bodies of water or whatever, so we'll show you what we can. We don't promote any kind of excessive living here at Bone Tactical. I'd encourage you to watch the video I did recently on basically just on that, on excessive living and euphoric recall as a psychological principle. #1 hipster swimming hole in the world. They say that everybody comes here and works out, goes for a run, comes up here, Flussbad Oberlettern, however you say it, and then boom, comes out and swims in this, some of the cleanest water in the world. We're out here in Switzerland. We just happen upon some SWAT military police type guys, militarized type police with K9 dogs, and now we've come upon that have been in the same area we've been in the whole day. Really strange. And we've come upon, they have a dive team now. They're in here in this river searching for something, so we really have no idea what they're looking for, but it's just pretty crazy. I mean, they're super intense, especially for here. It's not as normal. It's not something you would see as much, I guess. So something crazy must have happened, but we don't know for sure. I don't know if you guys can see up here, right up there, there's a dive boat military police, or I guess it would be like a SWAT type unit, and they're diving looking for stuff. And then up in front of us a little further there was a K9 unit, which I tried to film. We'll see if any of the film came out. I gotta be real careful with that kind of stuff overseas. So yeah, about to go for a swim and hopefully not kick in anything crazy. I don't know if you guys can get a perspective of how tall this is, but it's very tall, and we're climbing to the top. We're really high up here. (900 MUM). Not sure what that means, but we're higher than any of the Alps that are close to us. Swiss Army knives in Switzerland.
Diese, den Kopf rein.
See any really cool ones? These ones say Switzerland on them. You see any really cool ones? These rescue tools are cool. Look at the rescue tools. That's awesome. Wood ones. They're like beard trimmers or something. Pretty awesome beard trimmers. Swiss chocolate, obviously. Pretty amazing. This is our second stop at a Swiss chocolate place.
How many cost on like do a single? Is it by weight?
Also so the small bag?
Yeah.
6 pieces.
6 pieces. How much?
It's free.
Okay. Yeah, small bag.
No people?
Just no people.
Okay.
So 6 of us. 6. Yes, yeah. International promotion this time. That's good.
So we're just bebopping around Zurich, Switzerland, and trying some of these crazy Swiss chocolates that we found in a little store. Pretty awesome. The train station is really great, but it was like $30, which just goes to along with the cost of living being super high here, which is crazy, but it's good. It's good food. Dumplings are good. Off a little truck, food truck. Of course, the bratwursts are amazing in this whole area of the country. This is beef, cheese, and pork with a little spice to it, and this one is a veal bratwurst.